Statutory regulations and ever stricter legislation concerning disposal of valuable raw materials are forcing trade and industry to consider new waste management strategies. The practice of disposing of plastic waste in skips is uneconomic and a burden on the environment. The trend away from waste disposal to raw material sorting and reprocessing demands economically sound recycling methods. Welger has just the right equipment for companies looking for a rational solution to the problem of handling large amounts of plastic and associated waste. The Welger RV641 roll baler. It compresses bulky plastic waste where it accumulates into conveniently sized bales. Voluminous plastic waste compressed into cylindrical bales can be cost-effectively disposed of. Let's take a closer look at how the RV641 roll baler works. The unique patented compression principle is a special Welger development. Bulky plastic waste is fed in and passes to two conveying belts, which, as they rotate, compress the material into a cylindrical bale. The bale chamber increases in size to accommodate larger amounts of plastic waste. Constant pressure on the material means that even if the feed is interrupted, it can't expand. Once the bale has reached a certain size, the bale chamber can be opened and the bale is ejected. Operation of the RV641 is largely automatic, allowing it to be used by unskilled labour. Operating buttons on the control panel are self-explanatory and virtually eliminate the possibility of incorrect operation. Material is fed into the machine until the bale has reached the required size. Subsequently, stretch wrap material for wrapping the finished bale is fed in and cut off. To eject the bale, the front cover is raised and the bale rolls out. Despite their extreme density, the cylindrical bales are easy to handle. They can be treated as bulk goods and don't lose their shape in press containers, one of the main requirements of waste disposal companies, which for economic reasons have to collect mixed recyclable materials. The RV641 is universal in operation. Even in waste disposal centres with constantly varying types of plastic waste, the RV641 proves its value in sorting recyclable materials. Sorting plastic where it accumulates is a primary consideration. It's economic and also helps to keep production and storage facilities clean and tidy. The RV641 is also suitable for operations with centralised disposal facilities, as this application in a furniture warehouse demonstrates. Plastic waste, returned by delivery vans, is fed into the RV641 and compressed. The Welger RV641 roll baler can be easily integrated into existing facilities and is simple to operate. The economic concept for handling and compressing bulky plastic waste. The Welger RV641.